Kiddies Explorer! Today, children, we are going to tour an Igbo village to learn about some fruits. Are you ready? Fruit bụ mkpụrụ osisi n'Igbo.
Sing with me. Number one, banana, unere. Number two, mango, mangoro. Number three, coconut, aki, oyibo. Number four, orange, Oroma. Sing it again.
Mangoro, Mangoro, Mangoro. Mangoro, juicy and bright. Mango in the morning light. Sweet and smooth, yellow delight. Say Mangoro. Clap your hands, you're doing it right.
Mangoro. Unere, unere, unere. Yellow and sweet. Peel it down and take a seat. Banana, banana. Good for you. Unere and Igbo, now you know it too. Oroma, juicy and round, rolls and bounces on the ground. Peel it open, sip with glee. Oroma for you and me. Do you know that Oroma mean orange in English? Aki oyibo coconut. Aki oyibo coconut. Coconut water, fresh and pink. Crunch the meat, who the beats. Say aki oyibo and tap your feet. Aki oyibo coconut. Aki oyibo coconut. Sing with me. Number one, banana, unere. Number two, mango, mangoro. Number three, coconut, aki oyibo. Number four, orange, Oroma. Sing it again. Sing with me. Number one,